In this video, we'll show you how to import an HTML file, website, or blog into your ebook. You can easily import your file or URL from the welcome screen as soon as you open Kotobee Author. You can also either click on Import from the File menu here, or you can click on the Import HTML shortcut button here in the left panel. Once you click on it, the import window box will appear. You can now upload your file by clicking on Browse HTML File and then locate the HTML file you'd like to import. You can also import the content of a specific website or web page by adding its web address in the URL box below it. In both cases, Kotobee Author will automatically pull any referenced images, fonts, or general files and add them to the new ebook. To show you an example, if you have an HTML file ready, start by locating the file, and once you find it, select it and press Open. You will notice that your file's title will instantly appear in the default chapter title box by default. You may also set a default title to be used if there are no titles added in the original file. Now it's time to choose whether you want to import your content as a main chapter or a subchapter in your ebook. To add your file as a parent or main chapter, you choose Root from the drop-down menu here. And if you want to add it as a subchapter of any other existing chapters, choose the title of that chapter, and it will be automatically added as a subchapter to it. Regarding the content of the HTML file, such as the images, fonts, video, audio, CSS, and JavaScript, you can check the boxes next to each of them if you want to download and store them inside your ebook to make them available offline. If your HTML is divided into multiple subchapters, then, by checking the Adjust Internal Links box, the internal HTML links will be adjusted to point to the appropriate subchapter. And you can check Exclude Style Sheets option if you do not want to include the CSS style sheets of your HTML file in your ebook. We'll assume here that you want to import your HTML file as one chapter without splitting it into multiple chapters. To do this, select Don't Split from the drop-down menu here. You're now almost done. By pressing Import, your HTML file will be imported and you can start formatting and customizing your ebook. And as you see here, the HTML file has been imported as one single chapter. Now, let's say you need to split your HTML file into several chapters in your ebook. Kotobee Author can automatically generate chapters for you according to specific HTML tags or custom markers. Custom markers are any text that you enter in your content, or HTML code, to indicate where the chapters and subchapters begin. The HTML content will be scanned, and wherever the tag or marker is found, a new chapter or subchapter will begin. You can split chapters by the supported HTML tags found in the drop-down menu here. The supported tags are H1, H2, H3, H4, P, Div, and Section. If you want to add an additional subchapter level, click the Add Deeper Scanning button, but don't forget to use a different tag or marker for each level. Finally, you can now press Import to start importing your HTML file. And that's it. Now you have your HTML file imported with chapters and subchapters. You will also notice that your ebook is in the reflowable layout, which means it will automatically resize text and images to fit comfortably on your reader's screen. And that's it. In the next video, we'll discuss how to import a PDF file. Stay tuned.